Hello mga guys. Welcome to my vlog. Glenn Marie Musra. Have a nice day everyone. Guys, look at the view of the mountain. It's very foggy today in Amman, Jordan. Guys, oh. Kadulom guys. Gadulom tapos daw may adlaw. Maybe it will be raining today. Amo dyan guys, ang beauty ga guys, oh. Sa mountain guys. Kadulom nga daw may ga sirak nga adlaw. Very beautiful guys, oh. Diya ako sa amon nga terrace guys. Naglimpyo. Tapos, ang view is amo ka dya guys. Very foggy mga guys. OFW Jordan with love, Glenn Marie Musra. Please like and follow me, share also mga guys. Love you all, mountain view. Have a nice day everyone, and follow to my Instagram also and my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Amo dyan guys ang view kang mountain. Makita mo ang mga puno kang kahoy is very green. Love you all mga guys and stay safe everyone. Thank you for watching.